Hey, what's up guys? So I have here is a Canon Pixma MG2522 and I'm going to show you how to get it connected to your laptop. So basically you got to first get the USB cable connected to the back of the printer. Goes right into there. Okay, as soon as you do that, you turn on your laptop or your computer and you go to www.canon.com/ijsetup. Once you go there, it opens up the site. The site is on your setup guide. Once you go to that, you hit setup. Now it's going to tell you what's the first letters of your printer. This one's MG and this is a 2522. We'll click on that. Once that go, you hit download. Will come up in the little corner. Open file. Once the open file is downloading Canon, hit yes. It's gonna tell you MG 2500 series, hit next. Process can take a bit. Tell you exactly everything you need. I'm gonna put the last one too. Next. Yes. Next. So this will be the process you will have to go in order to install this printer. So I'll be back once it downloads. Say approximately 2 minutes.